Welcome to Expert Views on Gamma Oryzanol with Isha. Today we have Dr. Neeraj Kumar, a leading cardiologist from Delhi. Let us hear his views on Gamma Oryzanol supplement and its role for a healthy heart.
Gamma Oryzanol is found in rice bran and presently in India also it is approved by FSSCI as a nutraceutical and as an antioxidant which improves heart health, which lowers down lipid levels. Over and above, this compound have anti-inflammatory properties as well, and they can reduce probably the heart attacks and clot formations with various mechanisms. This compound being promoted and utilized for a better heart health.
Welcome to Expert Views on Gamma Oryzanol with Isha. Today, on the occasion of World Diabetes Day, we have amongst us super specialist, interventional cardiologist, electrophysiologist, Dr. Nabajit Talukar to tell you how effective Gamma Oryzanol nutraceutical will be for patients suffering from diabetes.
Various antioxidants are used, especially to neutralize the reactive oxygen species, namely extracts from various Karela, neem and many other antioxidants, which cannot be used in isolation. The search was on till recently when Gamma Oryzanol has been propounded to be of importance, and in early stage of the disease, Gamma Oryzanol can help in reversing the effects mediated by diabetes, particularly by increasing insulin secretion and increasing the insulin sensitivity.
Welcome to Expert Views on Gamma Oryzanol with Isha. Today we have Dr. Pratibha Dogra, Senior Consultant Head Respiratory and Sleep Medicine at W. Pratiksha Hospital, Gurugram, to tell us about sleep promoting properties of Gamma Oryzanol. Let's hear from her.
Gamma Oryzanol, it's a nutraceutical and is approved by Government of India. It is a great antioxidant which has been derived from the rice bran. Now, various studies have been done on this and which have proved that it is also good hypnotic. A recent study done in Korea in 2017 has proved that it is a natural sleeping aid. So, Gamma Oryzanol has proven to promote good quality sleep, that too in a natural way.
Welcome to Expert Views on Gamma Oryzanol with Isha, and today we have India's most renowned nutritionalist, the author of Eat Up Clean Up, Dr. Manjari Chandra. Let's hear from her.
Gamma Oryzanol is essentially extracted from the rice bran. There are 2-3 specific benefits that this antioxidant can cause. One of them is the reduction in the amount of LDL cholesterols. It decreases the risk of cardiovascular disease. Another thing that is very specifically beneficial in Gamma Oryzanol is that it decreases inflammation. Gamma Oryzanol can be used effectively for improving human health.
Welcome to Expert Views on Gamma Oryzanol with Isha. Today we have Dr. Shailesh Sahai, Principal Consultant of Department of Internal Medicine, Max Hospital, Gurgaon, and he will tell us why Gamma Oryzanol nutraceutical is getting popular these days. Let's hear from him.
Gamma Oryzanol has been news in recent times because of its positive reports that it causes to decrease the lipid levels, increase the athlete performance used in menopausal. Various studies have been done in various places, mainly in China, in Korea, in USA, and what they have found is that this particular antioxidant, which is Gamma Oryzanol, decreases the absorption of triglycerides and LDL from the intestine when we take it as an oral supplement.
Welcome to Expert Views on Gamma Oryzanol with Isha. Today we have India's #1 cancer specialist, Dr. Rahul Bhargav, with us. He is Principal Director, Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Noida. Let's hear from him.
A newer product, Gamma Oryzanol, preventing the cancers if taken for a long period. And this Gamma Oryzanol is basically an activator of NK cells which keeps the cancer cells at check. it not only works through NK cell, but also it inhibits angiogenesis. It means it cuts the supply for the cancer cells to grow. And certain studies across 2012, 13 and 15 has shown it helps in regressing the prostate cancer cells as well. And it is just not one study, it is the studies has been done across patient subsets, across ethnicities and across nations, and it is going to help us in prevention of cancer, because we know prevention is better than cure.
Welcome to Expert Views on Gamma Oryzanol with Isha. Today we have head nutritionalist from Fortis Hospital, Noida, having 2 decades of rich experience. Let's hear from her why should we include Gamma Oryzanol capsule in our diet.
So today I want to discuss with you a very important antioxidant which I recently studied and came to know about is Gamma Oryzanol, which has been extracted from the rice bran, right? And this is very helpful in many of the preventions, like it works as a super antioxidant and it helps in protecting cancer, it works as an anti-inflammatory, it improves our immune system, and it is also helpful in some of the nervous treatment diseases. So that way it is very beneficial and helpful if we include that in our diet. Now Government of India also approved Gamma Oryzanol.
Welcome to Expert Views on Gamma Oryzanol with Isha. Today we have amongst us leading cardiologist and AIIMS gold medalist Dr. Sanjay Chugh. Let's hear from him.
I'm going to talk about inflammation and heart disease, यानी inflammation का दिल की बीमारी के साथ संबंध. A new kit, Gamma Oryzanol, for which there's lots of experiments, and it comes from rice bran, and it has been shown to actually reduce some of the inflammatory markers which actually are related to inflammation in the body. So there seems to be good future for it. It looks pretty good.
Welcome to Expert Views on Gamma Oryzanol with Isha. Today we have Dr. Yogesh Sharma, who is Senior Consultant Internal Medicine, RV Hospital, Gurgaon. Let us hear from him. कैसे hypothyroidism में Gamma Oryzanol nutraceutical helpful है?
Today I want to talk to you about a new antioxidant by name Gamma Oryzanol. Gamma Oryzanol is a non-synthetic natural antioxidant. It has been approved by FSSAI in India to be used as a nutraceutical in the patients of hypothyroidism and the diabetes. It's reduced the level of TSH in the patients of hypothyroidism without much reducing the level of thyroid hormone in the blood. Along with that, it works very well in the patients of diabetes. I recommend as a physician this medicine to be used as an antioxidant for the patients of suffering from hypothyroidism and diabetes.
Gamma Oryzanol is scientifically proven to lower blood sugar levels. और आज की हमारी एक्सपर्ट डॉक्टर चारू दुआ, HOD न्यूट्रिशन एंड डायटिक्स मैक्स सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल दिल्ली, जिनकी स्टेटमेंट पब्लिश हुई इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स में, और जिन्होंने कहा Gamma Oryzanol is useful for controlling elevated sugar levels, along with it is also known to boost metabolic rate, maintaining cholesterol and may help with weight loss. उन्होंने आगे कहा कि studies also indicate that a 300 mg dosage of Gamma Oryzanol capsule is an appropriate dosage which not only help in diabetes management but also promote overall health. Gamma Oryzanol is scientifically proven to give a boost to our immunity. और आज के हमारे एक्सपर्ट डॉक्टर संजय अग्रवाल, हेड डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मेडिसिन, रूबी हॉल क्लिनिक, पुणे का भी स्टेटमेंट आया अनेकों अखबारों में, जहां उन्होंने कहा कि इम्यूनिटी को बूस्ट करने के साथ साथ गामा ओरिजिनॉल उच्च कोलेस्ट्रॉल और ट्राइग्लिसराइड स्तर को नियंत्रित करने के लिए उपयोगी है, साथ ही हृदय स्वास्थ्य के लिए भी मददगार है। गामा ओरिजिनॉल शरीर में शर्करा के स्तर को नियंत्रित करने के लिए उपयोगी है तथा ये चयापचय दर को भी यानी मेटाबॉलिज्म रेट को भी बढ़ाने में मदद करता है। इसीलिए स्वास्थ्य की बेहतरी के लिए इसका प्रयोग ठीक है।